In chapters 9 and 10 of Dune by Frank Herbert, we dive deeper into the treacherous environment the Atreides family has entered upon their arrival on Arrakis. These chapters unfold a series of events that underscore the imminent dangers the Atreides face, marking the beginning of the unraveling of their position amidst political machinations. Chapter 9 thrusts us into the tension immediately, with Paul lying awake in his new bedroom, eager to explore Arrakis. However, his excitement is quickly overshadowed by the presence of a hunter-seeker, a deadly assassination device designed to target and kill any moving object it detects. Paul's quick thinking and discipline save not only his life, but also that of the shot-out Mapes, a servant in the Atreides household who unwittingly walks into the room, drawing the hunter-seeker's attention. This incident not only establishes Paul's capacity for calm under pressure, but also introduces the Shadout Mapes as a character tied to the deeper cultural and political threads of Arrakis. Mapes' assertion that there is a traitor within the Atreides ranks introduces a central tension that drives much of the plot, the question of loyalty and betrayal. Chapter 10 continues to build on the atmospheric and thematic elements of mystery and intrigue. Here, Lady Jessica discovers a conservatory, a symbol of stark contrast against the arid backdrop of Arrakis. This room, lavished with an extravagant use of water, reflects both the previous occupants' disregard for Arrakis' most precious resource and a form of defiance or ignorance of the planet's harsh realities. The conservatory, aside from demonstrating the opulence the Atreides have stepped into, serves as a setting for further revelations. Jessica finds a coded message from Lady Margot Fenring, hinting at deep conspiracies against her family, and specifically a threat towards Paul, the same threat he narrowly escapes in his bedroom. This message ties back to the broad theme of premeditated traps and betrayals awaiting the Atreides, emphasizing their precarious position. Paul's encounter with the Hunter-Seeker and the subsequent conversation with Jessica underscores the immediate danger they are in, not just from external forces, but potentially from within their inner circle. Jessica and Paul's speculation over Thufir Hawat's possible betrayal and dismissal of Dr. Yue as a suspect add layers of suspicion and paranoia, reflecting the intricate web of alliances and enmities that define the political landscape of Arrakis. Their dialogue emphasizes the challenge of discerning allies from enemies in a world where loyalty can be bought and sold. These chapters are pivotal in setting the tone for the complexity of the battles the Atreides must fight, not just for the physical control of Arrakis, but also against the backdrop of political machinations and betrayal. The Hunter-Seeker incident, along with the messages of warning, effectively serve to escalate the tension, painting a picture of a family on edge, in a land where every shadow could conceal a blade. The events lay the groundwork for understanding the multifaceted nature of power struggles in Dune, highlighting both the environmental challenges of Arrakis and the intricate dance of political and personal loyalties that define Frank Herbert's universe. If this content helpful, please reward me with a like and subscribe, and tell me what you thought about this video down in the comments. Thank you for watching this Bookly Crash Course video.